How to draw an umbrella, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making one long upside down C-like shape. Nice job. Now do you see that big opening on the bottom? We're going to begin to use small C-like shapes. In total, it will be 3 to make the bottom of our umbrella. Fantastic job! Next up, inside of that big empty space inside of our umbrella, we're going to begin to add in 2 lines. This will help separate the colors. On the very top, where those 2 lines intersect, we're going to begin to add in a small square-like shape. Awesome, now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Next up, we're going to move down below, and we're going to begin to make the handle as well as the pole that will help hold up our umbrella. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.